Assalamualaikum. How are you, five CEKAL pupils? I hope all of you are well and taking good care of yourself. Right. Today, we are going to do an online class. I am going to discuss about your paper 2 from your PRA PAT exam. We are only going to discuss section A and section B1 today. Before we start, we are going to watch a video. This video is related with your section A question. Let's watch the video.
Monster Math presents Counting to 10. Okay, class, let's count these.
What a beautiful day. It's just perfect weather to... Wait, is that tower leaning? Or is that just the camera angle? Oh, your eyes aren't tricking you. This tower really is leaning. In this video, we are going to learn all about this unique tower, known as the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Yeah, that is pronounced Pisa. It is Italian, so the S is pronounced like a Z, and the I sounds like E. Think of a P like a green pea, and then say za, Pisa. It almost sounds like pizza, doesn't it? Can you imagine just a leaning tower of pizza, a huge slice of pizza just leaning there, and people would visit and be like, I want to eat it, but if I eat it, the tower will go away. What do we do? Do we eat it or look at it? We don't know. The Leaning Tower of Pisa can also just be called the Tower of Pisa, but many people call it the Leaning Tower of Pisa because that is what it is most famous for. We are going to call it the Leaning Tower of Pisa throughout this video, but just know if you wanted to, you could just call it the Tower of Pisa, and that works too. Alright, so where is this tower? Where can you find it? The Leaning Tower of Pisa is in the country of Italy. Here's what the country of Italy looks like. It's shaped like a boot, isn't it? The country is colored in with the colors of the Italian flag, green, white, and red. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is an Italian landmark. As you might guess from the name, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is in the city of Pisa, right here on the map of Italy. Isn't that cool? Do you see it on the map? That's where Pisa is. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is behind Pisa Cathedral and was built to be the bell tower of the cathedral. One of the main purposes of bell towers, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, is to let people know when there are special occasions at the cathedral or in the community.
Right. So, what was that video about? It was about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Right. Okay, now let's have a look at section A of your paper 2 question. Right. Okay, can you see? Okay. Section A. Study the notes below and use the information to complete the following text. Okay. So, the information is about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, let's read the information one by one. We start with this box. Name, it leans. Okay, what is the meaning of leans? Okay, how did the Leaning Tower of Pisa got its name? It's because it leans. See this tower? This is a tower and it leans. Okay, it's not straight. It leans. Okay, why? Because it is on unstable soil. Okay, here the soil is unstable. That's why this tower leans. Okay, right. Next information. The tower is located in Pisa, Italy. Okay, so if you remember from the video, the name Pizza is a name of a city, okay, in Italy. Okay, this tower was built in 1178. Next information. The tower sank throughout the centuries. Okay, sank. Sank comes from the word sink, right? Okay, throughout the centuries, the tower sank into the ground. Okay, right. Tourists from all over the world will come to see this famous tourist attraction. Right, this tower has 8 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And at the top tower, it has 7 bells. Okay, 7 bells. Right. Okay, now that we understand the information, next, let's look at the text. Right. Based on the notes given, complete the text below with the correct information. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. The of Pisa is one of the most unique building in the world. Right. So, what is the answer here? Right. The clue is the word of pizza. Right. So, what is the answer here? You can also get the answer from here. Of pizza, right? So, what is the word before of pizza? Okay, the leaning tower of pizza. Right, I will only share with you one answer. You will have to find the other answers, but we'll discuss together. Okay, number 2. It is Italy. Right, it is Italy. Let's look back at the information given. Right, where is the word Italy? Here. Okay, so what is the answer? Okay, so number 2, the answer is here. Right. Okay, next one. Let us erase. Can we erase it? No. Right. Okay, number 2. Number 3. It was. It was. What happened? What happened? It was. Right. Okay, when was it built? It was. Okay, the answer should be from here. Right. Built in 1173. The tower has 8 floors and it has a viewing platform on the roof. Okay, 8 floors, the information is given, so we cross out. There are also tower located on the 8th floor. Right, let's have a look at the information. There are also, okay, the keyword is tower. Right, so there are also what in the tower? Okay, so you can find the answer here. Right. The tower got its name because it, okay, the clue here is name. How did the tower got its name? Got its name. Right. The tower got its name because, okay, right. Here's the word name, right? So what should be the answer? Word. Okay, so number 5. Okay, right. Okay, so I hope you will fill in the blanks and complete this answer. Right. Next, let's have a look at question 2. Okay, but before we start with question 2, let's watch a video. Right. Do you remember that event? Okay, so that event is called Carnival Day, or we can also call it Canteen Day at our school. So during Canteen Day, there are a lot of stalls selling many things. Okay, so for question B2, let's have a look at the question. Question B. Right. Okay, so question B is about Canteen Day, actually. Okay, so and then what are the things that the pupils can sell on Canteen Day? Right. Let's have a look. Okay, first one. Okay, first we have to read. Okay, we must read. We must read all the information first. Okay, read all the information given first. Okay, and try to understand. Right, so number one, selling handmade Teachers' Day cards. Handmade Teachers' Day cards. Activity to be held for 1 week. School hall. Encik Rafis is the person in charge. Right. Okay. So what do they sell? Handmade Teachers' Day card. How long is the activity? For 1 week. Where? What is the venue? School hall. Who is the person in charge? Encik Rafis. Okay. Second activity. Selling food on canteen day. What food is sold? Cupcakes of various flavors. What is the activity? How long is the activity? Activity is to be held for 1 day. Where? At the canteen. Who is in charge? Mrs. Emilia. Okay, activity 3. Oops. Okay, activity 3. Collecting all newspapers for recycling. Okay, what do you need to bring? Plastic bags and string. This is a string. Okay, string. This is what you call a string. How long is the activity? 1 month. Where? At the computer room. Who is the person in charge? Mr. Faris. Okay. Next activity, jumble sale. Right. Okay, so what do you sell at the jumble sale? Used toys, clothes, and books. What activity? How long is the activity? The activity is held for 4 hours. Where? At the badminton court. Who is the person in charge? Miss Atika. Right. So the information is very simple. You can understand. Now let's see the question for B1. Okay, so this is what you have to do for B1. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct answers. One has been done for you. Okay, this one is given. Okay, it is an example to help you answer all the other answers, right? Okay, so first here is the activity. Okay, selling handmade Teachers' Day cards. Next, here, this is what you have to fill in. You have to tell the things that you have to bring. Okay, so for this activity, you have to bring handmade Teachers' Day cards. Right. Okay. What do you have to bring if for the activity selling food on canteen day? Let's have a look at the information again. Selling food on canteen day. Right. So, what do you have to bring? What food are they selling on canteen day? Okay. Which information tells you about what to bring? It is this one, right? Okay. This is what you have to bring for answer number 2. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. Okay, collecting all newspapers for recycling. What do you have to bring? Okay. Right. Okay. Look at all the information here. Okay. So, what is it that you have to bring? You have to bring a plastic bags and string, right? Okay, last one. Activity jumble sale. Right. Jumble sale. What do you have to bring? Okay, look at the information. Do you have to bring used toys, clothes, and books? This is about activity, how long it is held. This is about venue, where. This is about person in charge. So that means the answer is this one. Right. Okay, so you have to fill in the things to bring. Okay, make sure you copy correctly. Okay, because you will only get 3 marks. So you must copy the answers correctly. Okay, no wrong spelling. If you spell wrongly, even if the answer is right, you will not get the mark. Okay, so this is very easy, right? Easy. Okay, right. So this is your task for this week. Very easy. Okay, so I know you can do it. I hope all of you will finish the task for this week. Okay, that's all for today. Right. Assalamualaikum. See you again. Bye.